Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, your bank balance never seems to grow? You get your paycheck, you pay bills, maybe a little shopping, a few coffees here and there, and before you know it, the money is gone. It feels like everyone else is moving forward while you're stuck in the same place. Today, we're going to uncover the 5 money habits that are silently keeping you poor and how you can fix them fast. 1. Spending before saving. Most people think being poor is about income, but here's the truth. It's about habits. One of the biggest traps is spending everything first and saving nothing. You get paid, and immediately, bills, shopping, subscriptions, and small pleasures eat away your paycheck. Consider Sarah, a 28-year-old graphic designer. She makes $3,000 a month. She buys her coffee, eats out 3 times a week, pays for a gym membership she hardly uses, and subscribes to multiple streaming platforms. By the end of the month, she has almost nothing saved. The fix is simple. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying anything, save even 5 to 10% of your income. It might feel small, but this habit compounds over time. A $100 saved every month can grow to thousands in a few years with interest or investment. Audience question: but what if I can't save 10% right now? Answer: start smaller. Even $20, $50 a month is better than nothing. The key is consistency. 2. Ignoring budgets. Many people hate budgets. They think budgeting is restrictive or stressful. But here's the paradox. A budget gives you freedom. It shows exactly where your money is going. Imagine 2 friends, Tom and Jake. Tom spends without tracking, while Jake tracks every expense. At the end of the year, Tom wonders where all his money went. Jake saved enough to invest in stocks and even traveled to Europe. Tracking helps you notice small leaks: daily coffee, online subscriptions, impulse shopping. Awareness leads to control. Apps like Mint or YNAB make budgeting easy, even fun. 3. Living on credit and debt. Credit cards and loans are double-edged swords. When used wisely, they can help. But many fall into the trap of paying only the minimum, carrying balances month to month, and racking up interest. Let's look at an example. Alex owes $5,000 on a credit card at 20% interest. By paying the minimum, he ends up paying nearly $7,000 over 2 years. $2,000 just in interest. The fix: pay high-interest debt first. Avoid unnecessary loans. Use debt only strategically, not for instant gratification. Audience question: I already have debt. Where do I start? Answer: list all debts, start with the highest interest first, and cut expenses to free cash flow. Even small payments above the minimum make a huge difference over time. 4. Focusing on instant gratification. We live in a world designed for instant pleasure. The newest phone, latest gadget, weekend shopping spree. Every impulse steals from your future. Let's simulate. John earns $3,500 a month. He spends $200 impulsively every weekend. In a year, that's $10,400 gone. Money that could have been invested. The solution? Delay gratification. Ask yourself, will this expense make me richer or poorer in 5 years? Save first, invest, and spend thoughtfully. Small sacrifices now lead to freedom later. 5. Not investing or learning about money. Many people keep money in a low-interest savings account and never explore growth opportunities. Knowledge about money compounds faster than money itself. Consider Lisa, 30, who saved $5,000 under her mattress. Meanwhile, her friend invested the same $5,000 in index funds. After 10 years, Lisa still has $5,000, but her friend has over $10,000 without working extra hours. Start small. Learn about stock market basics, real estate opportunities, retirement accounts, high-interest savings, and compounding. Fixing these habits isn't complicated, but it requires awareness and discipline. Start today. Pay yourself first. Track your spending. Reduce debt. Resist impulses. Learn how money works. Even if you pick one habit and improve it consistently, you'll see massive change in your financial life. Small, consistent actions beat sporadic big efforts every time. Remember, your financial future depends on your habits today. Stop waiting for a miracle. Start today, take control, and make your money work for you instead of the other way around. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make now.